Hi there guys, thanks very much for joining us again today and welcome back to the channel. I've got a very short video for you that will demonstrate how to build a website on Squarespace. And just before we get into that, you'll be able to access a free trial version of this website editor in the link in the description of this video just down below. So once you're done watching this and to give this a go for yourself, just click that link and that'll take you through the process then yourself. So obviously there's a number of places where you can come from when you're making a website, and I think Squarespace can sort of cater for you regardless of your background knowledge or prior knowledge, and it's a very intuitive and easy to access platform. Your dashboard when you first log into the Squarespace service will allow you to create the website from there. So you have a screen which looks similar to this, but you won't have these two websites here. Obviously I've made some sites already. When you first log in, this will just be empty. So when you hit that create website button here in the top right hand corner, this then begins the process of making your site. When you first go through this process, it may ask you some more detailed questions before you arrive here, such as the category for the site and a couple of things you may want to include. But basically what I always advise people, and for reasons of efficiency and ease, is to start with a template when making your site. So you can see that there's a very extensive range of templates available on Squarespace for us, and there's categories and also types of templates to browse through as well. So I highly recommend taking your time and looking through the library of templates that they've got. You're guaranteed to find something which closely resembles what you want to look like, or it's, you know, the layout's there but the color isn't, or there'll be something there that, you know, either gives you an idea, or if you've got that solid idea already, that looks like what you want yours to look like. And you can preview them by hovering over and clicking the preview. They've all got little different names, and then if you want to edit that, hit the start with whatever name that template is, and that will then automatically add it to your dashboard here. So you'll see now that the site is being created and built. If I just close that wizard for a second and I go back to my dashboard and I refresh the page, you'll see that that now has been added to the list of sites. So whatever changes I make, as long as I save them, it'll appear here then when I next log in, and you can edit that website. And that's the name of the game really, is to now use the website editor to edit and shape this into the site that you need. Obviously you can just replace images very easily, and you can use the formatting, the layout and the styling of this website to your advantage. So if you'd like to look at the different pages on your website, if you go to this home menu here and click pages, and then you're able to see them there as a list. If you give them a single click, it takes you to that page, so you can give it a preview. And then when you want to find a page to work on, so say for example we want to start editing this little about page, then I'll just click this edit button in the top left hand corner there. And that then opens the site in preview mode and editing mode, where I can just sort of single click into a paragraph of text and highlight it just like you would in a Word document, delete stuff, replace that text, replace that title, and then hover down here and then edit that section, replace the image in the background, for example, you know. So it's a lot quicker to do that than to start from scratch. And if you've got sort of specific requests or, you know, specific things that you want to learn in Squarespace, they'll be available as video tutorials on our channel as well. But that is the basic sort of approach to building a website on Squarespace. And that concludes our video tutorial. So don't forget about the link in the description below, which will take you to a free version of this website editor, so you can try it out yourself. If you like this kind of content and you want to learn more and see more Squarespace content, then you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any video requests or any questions or anything like that, leave them as a comment down below. Thank you very much.